Real estate has proven to be one of the most reliable ways of making so much money. And today, that's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to show you how you can make cool money in real estate, with or without money.
Okay, let's go.
When I talk about real estate, it sounds luxurious. In fact, if I talk about real estate investment, it sounds like a capital intensive industry. Of course, it is. Real estate is wealth in a nutshell. And I am going to show you how to get this wealth even if you don't have money. The first one I'm going to talk about today is to act as a go-between. And in this method, this does not require much capital. This is where you serve as a middleman that connects a buyer and a seller, or a renter and a landlord. When you connect a buyer to a seller, you get paid a commission. Sometimes these commission can range between 3 to 5%. In Ghana, it can range between 3 to 5% of the purchase price. In renting, you connect a renter, someone looking to rent a house, to a landlord, which is either a woman who owns the property or a man who owns the property, either a landlord or a landlady. And if you do this, you get paid about anywhere from 5 to 8% or to 10% commission. In this way, you get rewarded for your services. Some people have homes that they barely stay in, which could be offered for rent. That brings us to the second way you can make money in real estate: offering your home for rent. This is when you decide to use your home and put it on the market for rent. And you can do this with the help of platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, or even working with consultants like myself to offer your unused space for rent, either daily, weekly, monthly, or short term, and then get rewarded for this. And this can earn you thousands of dollars per month. And that's a lot of money for someone who have no professional knowledge of real estate. Some people have commercial spaces, an office building they give out for workers who wishes to come rent per day. But now there has been a slow in the demand for office spaces. That structure could be repurposed into residential apartments. It could be divided and split, the rooms splitted or the spaces splitted in bits, and amenities could be fitted in. The same goes with a residential property. If you have a residential property and it's in a very good location, a vantage point, no one comes to rent it for residential purposes, your room or your home, that house can be converted into an office building or an office space where people can rent that home and repurpose it or into a commercial building. That way, you can get your place to be rented for even longer term than usual residential rental. Being mindful, this can involve some level of cost, but with the right experts, you can be able to minimize the cost incurred to repurpose the property from residential to commercial or from commercial to residential. Right, that brings us to the end of our video. 3 ways to make money in real estate. There are numerous ways to make money, and we've only talked about 3. Let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell. Until then, I'll see you again next time. Bye.